A plea from Mother Nature. As Mother Nature, I watch over this world from afar. A warm, nurturing presence wrapped around every living being. I'm time on it, ancient and eternal, having sustained this planet for over 4.5 billion years. The rain, the wind, the air you breathe, all from me. I am both powerful and delicate, capable of sustaining life, yet vulnerable to the actions of humans. I see the destruction humans have caused me. I am polluted, congested, and unbalanced. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, and my forests, all are suffering. Your actions have pushed me past my limits, and my natural balance has been disrupted. Extreme weather events like typhoons, tornadoes, and earthquakes are becoming more and more frequent. I have become unpredictable. Less rain in some places, more in others. Hotter summers, colder winters. I am beyond your control. It is time for a change. Take responsibility for your actions and start doing better. Be kind to me and I'll be kind to you. Together, we can make a difference and ensure a better future for all of you. Wake up and realize that nature is your only hope and it deserves to be treated with respect and taken care of. This is your chance to start creating a positive impact and to leave a legacy for future generations. Do better. I need you to know that we must take immediate action to control pollution, especially air and water pollution. Here are some steps that will help protect me and my ecosystems. Recycle and reuse. Single-use plastics is the major contributor to the pollutions of my oceans and landfills. Recycle and reuse as much as possible to reduce the amount of waste that is produced. Next, plant trees and protect greenery. Plants and trees clean the air you breathe, improve the quality of soil, and provide habitats for animals. Plant trees, protect forested areas, and encourage mankind to plant more trees. Develop and enforce environmental regulations. Environmental regulations are essential to protect the health of ecosystems and the quality of air and water. Use chemical products carefully. Chemical products like pesticides and fertilizers can pollute my soil and my water. Use them carefully and sparingly and use environmentally friendly products. Human nations, the time for action is now. As Mother Nature, I urge you to take my words to heart. Remember, you have a responsibility to care for this planet that we call home. Remember, my beauty is your beauty. The air you breathe, the water you drink, the food you eat, it all comes from me. I am your life source and you are mine. We need each other. Take care of me and I'll take care of you. Protect my ecosystems and my natural balance, and I will ensure a better future for future generations to come.